What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Website migration from one host to another. We will discuss on how you can migrate your site from one host, say HostGator, to another host, say GoDaddy, without losing any of your data. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Step 1. Purchase a new WordPress hosting. Go to godaddy.com and click on hosting. Now click on WordPress hosting. Scroll down and select your plan. Select the basic plan and add to cart. Select your term length as 36 months as it offers 77% off. Click on continue. Now it gives you an option to get a free domain. Just enter and click on submit to search for its availability. If you don't want one, click on no thanks and continue to payment. Click on checkout. Enter your credentials to log in, or you can sign up if you don't have an account. Now select your payment method and complete your payment. Now we have successfully purchased our WordPress hosting on our new host. Step 2. Migrate your existing website. Under My Hosting, scroll down and select option Migrate an existing WordPress site. Now enter the details like your website URL, your username and your password. Once done, click on Migrate. Now it will start migrating your site. It will take some time to finish the entire process. Step 3. Set up WordPress site. Under My Hosting, scroll down and select option Manual WordPress Setup. Enter your username and password created in the previous step and click on Continue. Select your location and click on Continue. It will now start creating your website. It will take few minutes. Once it's completed, click on View My Site. This is our default WordPress site. Step 4. Add your custom domain. Go to your WordPress hosting and click on Add Custom Domain. Select Add an external domain and enter your URL. Select the checkbox and click on Attach. Step 5. Install plugin for migration. Go to WordPress dashboard. Under plugins, search for migration. You will find multiple migration plugins available here. We will go for Migrate Group plugin. Click on Install now and activate it once installed. Now provide your email address. Select the checkbox and click on Migrate Site. Select the host you want to migrate to. Now enter the details like your site URL, server address and FTP username and password. You can find all these details under your WordPress hosting on GoDaddy. Server address is nothing but your IP address. And for FTP credentials, click on the view link next to the SFTP users. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Migrate button and it will start copying your files. After few minutes, it will display a message saying migration completed successfully. Last step is to point your domain to new host by updating the IP address. So in this step, you will have to update the IP address of your new host in your domain to make it working. Now your site is live and working on your new domain. That's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.